Leica Q3 price. Let's talk about the Leica Q3 price and let's see my buying decision and let's see if this price is justified. Let's talk about this now. Hi there and welcome to my channel. My name is Tudor Matescu and in this video I want to share with you my buying decision, my thoughts about the price of Leica Q3 compared to Leica Q2, to Leica Q and to other Leica alternatives. So if you are in content like this, please subscribe now to my channel and give it a like to this video. The first point that I want to address is the Leica Q3 main advantages from my point of view. So what you get with Leica Q3? The main advantage compared to Leica Q2 is that you get improved image quality with a new 60 megapixel sensor that can be put in different resolutions. So this is a big advantage. It's a big advantage. Okay, next, you have the same lens, you have better AF and excellent AF from what the reviewers are showing. But for me, this is not a main point. The main point that I feel that everybody is thinking is that you get a beautiful new tilt screen that is very useful for street photography and for taking photography from a down angle point of view. But this screen, personally, I really don't like the aesthetics, the design, and how this screen is implemented in Leica Q3. So, compared to Leica Q, you will get, how I've said, a tilt screen that is useful, that has utility, but you lose on the design part, if you are asking me. And Leica Q3, and this is a very important point, is a luxury item. You don't buy Leica Q3 for the image quality and for the AF. If you want the same image quality and the same AF or better AF, there are other rational cameras that you could buy. And I will link my video with Leica Q3 alternatives at the end of this video. But these are the main advantages from my point of view, the main selling points, the main benefits. Now, the chapter that is important. Should you upgrade from Leica Q to Leica Q3 or to Leica Q2? From my point of view, the Leica Q2 is a big upgrade compared to Leica Q. And Leica Q3 is an incremental upgrade from Leica Q2. So it really depends. Do you have the money to upgrade from Leica Q to Leica Q3? Are you okay with the design? Because in the end, you'll get similar image quality. Yes, you can crop, but let's be serious. You will lose the Leica look when you will crop. This is not an advantage. Let's say you want a better AF. Yes, if AF is important for you and if you have the budget, I feel, yes, you could upgrade from Leica Q to Leica Q3. But also the Leica Q2 AF, it is great. The design, it is great. And you have enough megapixels. So if you have the budget and if you are okay with the design of the Leica Q3, I feel that yes, you should upgrade from Leica Q to Leica Q3. But now comes the interesting part. Should you upgrade from Leica Q2 to Leica Q3? This, from my point of view, is a big problem when it comes to a buying decision. I personally really like how Leica Q2 looks. Leica Q2 has a great design. And now the price of Leica Q2 is excellent. You get an excellent price with an excellent design, with very good AF, with good image quality, and so on and so on. So for me, this is a hard buying decision. Personally, if I would have Leica Q2, I would not upgrade to Leica Q3. I feel I will lose the design of Leica Q2. And personally, I've said the Leica Q2, Q3 is a luxury item. Personally, if I would have Leica Q2, I would not upgrade to Leica Q3. Because personally, I like more the design of Leica Q2. I feel that Leica Q3 is becoming a little more commercial with this design. I really don't like the implementation of the screen. What I can do, I really don't like it. I feel it lose that Leica mojo, it lose that Leica soul with the implementation of the tilt screen. Personally, I don't like it. Some people are liking it, some people are finding it very useful, and it is useful, but I don't like personally the design. So it's up to you to decide. Do you like the design? Are you okay with the design? Do you want better AF? Do you want more megapixels? Do you feel constrained about the normal screen, and do you feel constrained about the AF of the Q2? If you are feeling constrained about the screen of the Q2, and if you are okay with the design, then yes, Leica Q3 is the normal update. So if I would want to buy a new Leica Q between Leica Q, Leica Q2 and Leica Q3, personally, if I would have the budget, I would go for Leica Q2. At this moment, I feel Leica Q2 is a great camera for a great price. The price of Leica Q2 dropped on the used market and probably will drop more, and the price is excellent for what you get. You will get a good camera with a nicer design from my point of view than Leica Q3, with good AF, and I feel when looking at the images that Leica Q3, it is very near to a full frame Sony sensor when looking at the images. This is my point of view. I feel that the Leica Q2 has an more organic look, and of course Leica Q2 has another look, a more pleasant look to my eyes. But I feel between Leica Q and Leica Q2 and Leica Q3, the best camera that you could choose if you don't have any of this camera is Leica Q2. At this price, Leica Q2, it is very, very attractive, and again, personally, I like the design more of the Leica Q2. For me, the design of Leica Q3, the tilt screen that is not flashed in the body, I personally don't like that screen at all. It's killing in me the desire to want a Leica Q3. Okay, I get those benefits, I get that lens, I get that resolution, but I get those with other cameras. How I've showed in my Leica Q3 Alternatives, I can get those benefits with other cameras. And the buying decision for me with a Leica Q is not a rational buying decision, it's an emotional decision, because I've said it's a luxury item more than a camera. So for me, the emotional buying decision, it goes to Leica Q2. I feel that Leica Q2, it's meeting all my needs at this moment. I would hope in the future to see a Leica Q4 with a better screen design. So this is my advice. If you have the money and if you are okay with Leica Q3, go for Leica Q3. I feel the price is justified. I don't complain about the price. You don't have other true alternative. The other two alternatives are also just in the Leica Q system, and this is Leica Q2 or Leica Q that it's on the lower end. If you are asking me, but the image quality, again, it is great because it is the same lens. Even if that lens, it's not a 28mm lens, how I've showed in my video. So check my Leica Q video, subscribe to my channel, give it a like to this video, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye bye.